What's up, hungry people? It's Sava here with another recipe for you. Today, we are going to be using these. If you don't know what one of these is, this is a sweet yellow plantain or maduro. It is classic Dominican Caribbean cuisine. They eat it as a side to rice and beans, chicken, whatever you want, or just on its own. It's sweet, salty, a little bit crispy when you cook it up, and an easy, delicious thing to know how to make. As always, the recipe is going to be in the description box below, and if you haven't yet liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So the first thing I want to talk to you about today are these plantains. I told you they're yellow plantains. Usually when you get them, they're going to be all yellow, and you want to let them sit out for a couple days and get kind of darker brown. That means they're going to be extra sweet. You can also feel it. They get a little bit softer as they ripen. That's what you're looking for. Nice, dark mottled brown. Now to cut the plantains, what you want to do is cut off the ends. And then you kind of want to just make a slice right through the skin so that you can open it up and peel it off. Easy. The next thing is to just slice up your plantains. I'm cutting them into about 1/2 inch slices. And the reason why you cut this on the diagonal is so that it has more surface area to get nice and crispy. In this pan over medium heat, I put a little bit of oil. Usually they would actually put more, but I don't like to use too much. You want to get the pan nice and hot so you can hear the sizzle, and then start putting them in one layer. We'll make another batch with those ones. So depending on how ripe your plantains are, that will kind of depend how long they need to cook on each side. This one is super ripe, so I'm gonna start flipping them. And you can see that nice, beautiful golden brown. Then let them cook on the second side. So once you feel that your plantains have cooked on both sides, you're just gonna remove them to a paper towel lined plate so that they can drain a little bit. The second you have these out of the fryer or out of the pan, you want to hit them with a nice little pinch of salt. That's going to be the sweet and salty that I was talking about earlier. So here I am with my little plate of plantains. I don't know if you can see how golden brown and crispy they are. Woo! Now for the taste test. Still really hot, juicy. I don't know if you can see how soft that is too. Oh my God, so sweet because we let them ripen. Salty from the salt we put on the top at the end. Banging. Perfect for when you're making Spanish food, when you have vegan friends over, or just when you need a nice, delicious, sweet and savory and salty and crispy and crunchy and caramelized snack. Make them today. Let me know how you like them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.